Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install WhatsApp on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to install WhatsApp, we need to use Play Store. You might find it in the home screen somewhere over here, or you can also try to use the app drawer if you have it enabled, and then you should be able to find it somewhere at the on the list. So let's go to the Play Store. Of course, you need to be signed into the Google account, so if you are not, then you will have this information that you need to. So either log in or create an account. And then we need to search. So at the bottom over here, press search. At the top, go to the search bar and then tap WhatsApp. Type, I mean. There we go. This is of course the app that we want to install. So press install. Make sure of course that the icon is of course the same. And the title of the app itself as well. And once we are done, once the app is installed, we can press open. And there we go, we can start configuring WhatsApp. Of course, we can find our app now in the home screen or once again in the app drawer. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!